why you're not making money, even if you work hard. Have you ever felt like you're working hard, but your financial life is not improving? You wake up early. You try your best. You stay busy all day. But at the end of the month, nothing really changes. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Welcome to Wealth Theory. Click on the subscribe button so we can meet again. Now today we're going to break down why many people work hard but still don't make money. And more importantly, what actually changes that situation. Section 1. Hard work is not enough. One of the biggest financial myths is that hard work automatically leads to money, but in reality, hard work alone is not enough. Because money is not just rewarded for effort. Money is rewarded for value. Two people can work equally hard but earn completely different incomes. Why? Because what they offer to the world is different. Section 2. You're exchanging time for money only. Most people rely on a single system. Time in equals money out. This means if you stop working, money stops coming. This system has limits. There are only 24 hours in a day, so your income is capped by your time. To earn more, you must move beyond just time-based income. Section 3. You are not developing high-value skills. The marketplace does not pay everyone equally. It pays based on value. Skills like sales, marketing, copywriting, coding, content creation, business strategy. These skills can multiply your income because they solve bigger problems. If your skill is easy to replace, your income will be limited. Section 4. You are not building anything. Many people only work jobs. But wealthy people often build systems, businesses, brands, digital products, content platforms, assets that generate income over time. If you only trade time, your growth will always be slow. Section 5. You don't understand money flow. Money flows toward value, attention, and demand. If you are in a place where value is low or demand is low, income will also be low. This is why location, industry, and skill choice matter. Sometimes it's not about working harder, it's about positioning yourself correctly. Section 6. You quit too early. Many people start something new, a side hustle, a business, a skill, a YouTube channel. But they quit before results appear. Most success takes time. The people who succeed are not always the smartest. They are often the most consistent. Section 7. You don't have a clear strategy. Hard work without direction leads to frustration. Working randomly is not the same as working strategically. A clear plan beats random effort. You need a skill, a focus, a direction. Conclusion. If you're working hard but not making money, the problem is not always effort. The problem is structure, skill, direction, and consistency. The good news is that all of these can be learned. You don't need to work harder forever. You need to work smarter over time and build something that grows beyond your time. Follow Wealth Theory for more money, business, and wealth building lessons.